Buckle up, shoppers. It's time for a countdown you won't want to miss. In today's Top 5 Countdown, we're exploring the best shower kits and how they can upgrade your daily routine. From budget-friendly staples to premium bundles, there's something here for every bathroom. Today, I'm going to be going over the best shower kits that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Moen T2473EPBL. This is a focused look at a valve-first approach to a shower upgrade, where the hidden guts influence every drop of water you experience. The Moen T2473EPBL centers on a PosiTemp balancing cartridge that holds temperature steady even when other fixtures in your house spike or drop pressure. Imagine turning a single handle and knowing the temperature will stay within a narrow, predictable band as you adjust for a comfortable shower rhythm. The design prioritizes reliability with a corrosion-resistant brass body and a robust internal cartridge that can be serviced without major dismantling. This model is finished in a matte black that pairs well with contemporary bathrooms, offering a modern, understated silhouette that hides fingerprints and water spots. Installation tends to favor standard plumbing runs common in most homes, with 1/2-inch connections and a compatible rough-in that integrates easily with Moen trim kits. Because this is a valve-first product, it assumes you will pair it with a Moen trim set, which keeps the look cohesive and simplifies warranty coverage. The ergonomic handle is designed for smooth operation, even with soapy hands, and the temperature limit stop helps prevent accidental scalding, a feature that is especially appreciated in busy households with kids or elderly residents. When you install this valve, you're investing in an enduring platform that can adapt to future remodels, since you can swap trims or update finishes without replumbing. The eco-performance mindset behind this model focuses on delivering solid spray patterns without wasting water, leveraging precise orifice geometry and a well-tuned cartridge to maximize efficiency. In real-world terms, this means a steady shower experience that doesn't spike in temperature every time a neighboring faucet is turned on. The Moen ecosystem also means replacement parts and service are widely available, which can reduce downtime during maintenance. As you plan a bathroom refresh, you'll appreciate the calm, predictable operation this valve provides, a steady baseline that supports a variety of shower heads and finishes over the years. Paired to the Delta 342701 SB, which I have included as number 4 on this list. The Moen unit emphasizes more precise temperature control through its reliable PosiTemp mechanism and the long-term serviceability that Moen is known for, even as finishes evolve and trims change around it. At number 4, we have the Delta 342701 SB. This model leans into versatility with a 2-setting Intuition shower head paired with a built-in hand shower, all wrapped in a durable spot shield stainless finish that resists fingerprints and water spots under daily use. 342701 SB is designed for households that want flexible spray options without sacrificing a clean, integrated look. 2 settings on the shower head that you switch from a wide, immersive spray to targeted massage or combination spray with minimal effort, which can be a lifesaver when you're trying to rinse shampoo quickly or wash a pet without juggling 2 separate components. Spot Shield stainless finish brings practical benefits in busy bathrooms, resisting mineral buildup and giving you a surface that's easier to wipe down after long days of use. Installation typically accommodates standard plumbing runs and includes a built-in hand shower that docks neatly with the main body, offering a compact, user-friendly experience. Delta's engineering also emphasizes reliability, with tight tolerances, a solid brass body, and a cartridge system that supports long-term performance with maintenance in mind. Flexibility of the 2-setting head makes it a good choice for households that don't want to dedicate separate fixtures for handheld bathing and overhead spray, helping you maintain a minimal aesthetic while still getting the functionality you need. Finished product can support a modern bath look while providing practical daily convenience. Paired to the Delta 142840 SBI, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the 342701 SB's dual head capability gives you instantaneous changeovers at the shower head level, a feature that makes quick adjustments feel natural and intuitive in daily routines. At number 3, we have the Delta 142840 SBI. This single-handle Intuition model combines a clean, compact control valve with a detachable hand shower that gives you the freedom to direct water exactly where you want it, without cluttering the wall with extra escutcheons or lines. Spot Shield stainless finish maintains a bright, modern look while resisting water spots and fingerprints, making cleanup easier after busy mornings. The single-handle operation makes temperature and flow adjustments precise and intuitive, so you can dial in a comfortable shower with a single, confident move. Built-in hand shower is convertible from a fixed showerhead experience for handheld routine in seconds, which is ideal for apartment living, seniors, or households that value versatility in a small space. Delta's trusted engineering appears in the balance of water flow and ease of maintenance, with a cartridge system designed for longevity and a stainless frame that stands up to daily wear. Because this model belongs to the Intuition family, you'll find seamless compatibility with Delta trims and accessories as your bathroom style evolves. The finished choice helps maintain a cohesive look across fixtures and hardware, reducing the need for mixed metals in a way that feels deliberate and polished. Paired to the FPXRNG Shower Faucet Set, which I have included as number 2 on this list, this Delta unit focuses more on the refined, compact faucet control coupled with a flexible shower option, which is ideal for smaller baths or spaces where you want a neat wall line rather than multiple wall units. At number 2, we have the FPXRNG Shower Faucet Set. This complete kit offers a refreshing balance of value and performance, bringing together a rainfall shower head, a handheld shower, and the plumbing hardware needed to install a versatile shower in one go. Forged from solid brass with a durable finish, the FPXRNG set emphasizes reliable water delivery and age-resistant hardware that looks good in a variety of bathroom styles. The rainfall head delivers a broad, immersive descent of water, simulating a spa-like experience, while the handheld component gives you precise control for targeted rinsing, cleaning the shower enclosure, or bathing pets. Diverter and mounting hardware are designed for straightforward installation, with compatibility for standard 1/2-inch plumbing lines and a universal fit with many common valving configurations, which can shorten your remodel timeline. In terms of performance, FPXRNG focuses on a balanced spray pattern with consistent pressure, whether you're using the overhead head or the handheld, and the kit typically ships with a metal hose and a sturdy shower arm for long-term durability. The set is particularly appealing for homeowners who want a complete package at a more accessible price point without compromising on durability or aesthetics. When it comes to finishing, the FPXRNG kit is flexible enough to blend with chrome, brushed nickel, or other neutral tones, depending on the grid of your bathroom hardware. Compared to the Baetuy Shower System, which I have included as number 1 on this list, this FPXRNG option tends to be more budget-friendly while still offering a multifunction experience. At number 1, we have the Baetuy Shower System. This model stacks multiple features into a single, integrated unit that creates a complete shower experience with rainfall, pressure, and handheld spray in one compact fixture. The Baetuy system emphasizes reliability with a robust brass body, corrosion-resistant finishes, and a multifunction valve that supports several spray patterns to suit different moods and needs. Rainfall head provides a wide, enveloping spray that mimics a gentle outdoor shower, while the high-pressure setting gives you a sharper, more invigorating rinse when you want a quick wake-up call in the morning. Handheld component adds flexibility for targeted cleaning, bath time routines, or cleaning shower walls, and the included mounting hardware makes it possible to install this system in a way that keeps the wall clean and uncluttered. You'll appreciate the smooth integration of the controls, where a single lever or knob handles temperature and flow, ensuring intuitive operation when you're mid-shower with wet hands. Durability is a theme here, with quality machining and tight tolerances that ensure long service life, even in busy bathrooms. And Baetuy's warranty and customer support add a level of confidence for homeowners who prefer a one-stop solution. The system is designed to work with common supply lines and can be installed in most standard shower enclosures, offering a practical upgrade path for older homes or new builds alike. Paired to the FPXRNG Shower Faucet Set, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Baetuy system places a stronger emphasis on a true all-in-one, wall-anchored experience with a more integrated control surface, which can reduce wall clutter and create a cleaner, spa-like feel in the bathroom.